Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've just created your WordPress website and want to give it a professional touch, one of the first things you'll want to do is change your site's logo and title. In this video, I'll quickly show you exactly how to do that, whether you're using a classic theme or a modern block theme. Let's get started. First, let's talk about changing your logo. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then head to Appearance Arrow Customize if you're using a classic theme. If you're using a block theme with the new site editor, go to Appearance Arrow Editor instead. Now, for classic themes, look for the Site Identity section. Here you'll find the option to upload or change your logo. Click Select Logo and either upload a new image from your computer or pick one from your media library. WordPress might ask you to crop the image to match your theme's size. Once it looks good, hit Publish to save your changes. If you're using a block theme, open your header template inside the site editor. Locate the site logo block, or add one if it's missing. Upload or select your logo just like before, then click Save to apply the update. Next, let's change your site title. In classic themes, again go to Appearance, Customize, Site Identity. You'll see a field labeled Site Title. Simply edit the text there and click Publish. In block themes, open the header template in the site editor and click on the site title block. You can type in your new title directly, then hit Save when you're done. And that's it. You've successfully customized your WordPress site's identity with your own logo and title. It's a small change, but it makes your website look much more polished and professional. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, make sure to stick around for more quick WordPress tips just like this one.